Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're guiding you through creating an academic research log in Notion, the latest 2025 edition. To start off, open your Notion workspace and create a new page. Let's title it Academic Research Log. Now this is your central hub for all your academic research. This step is important because it helps to keep all the research data organized in one place. Now that we've done that, let's add a database to this page. Click on the plus Add a Block button and select Table. You can name this table Research Items. The reason we do this is to create a structured format to record and track all your research items. Next up, we're going to customize our database. Click on the Properties in the Database menu, and let's create some headings. You might want to add columns like Source, Summary, Keywords, Date, and Notes. This helps us because it provides a quick overview of your research at a glance and helps you to categorize your data efficiently. Now let's fill in the database. Click on the plus New button and input all the relevant information for each entry. Let me explain why this matters. By doing this, you're creating a comprehensive record of your research, which you can easily reference and cross-check as you progress in your academic work. After you've added a few entries, you might want to add filters or sort your table. Click on the Sort or Filter buttons in the top right corner of your database. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By filtering or sorting, you are able to prioritize your research items, find specific data quickly, or order your research chronologically. Finally, you can add a last edited time property to your database. The reason we do this is to keep track of the latest updates or changes to your research. It's a great way to stay organized and up to date. And there you have it. You've created an academic research log in Notion. This tool will help streamline your research process, saving you time and helping you stay organized. Remember, the key is to keep it updated regularly. Thank you for tuning in today. Until next time, happy researching.